Hey, I'm David McGuffin, and today we're in Tuscany, in the medieval town of Lucca. Lucca here is surrounded by a wall that's about 100 feet wide, flat paved surface, and we've rented bikes for a couple hours. We're going to do the loop around the city walls of Lucca. Come join me. So we've been going here about 15 minutes and probably are most of the way around the wall. As I mentioned, it's a pretty good idea. It's beautiful. Today is wonderful. Some of these shady stretches, and then there's some stretches that are in the sun. Beautiful views to the inside of the town, of the medieval cathedrals and piazzas. Lucca seems to be a great place to visit. Hope you come here with me sometime. Ciao.